Let's get straight into it. Take the fan off first. You'll need a 32mm spanner, and it's a reverse thread. You may need to shock the bolt first by tapping the spanner with a hammer. Tapping or smack it quite hard. It can be a bit of a pain. Removing the fan first will make it a lot easier to remove the bolts. We learnt the hard way. Next, undo the 2 Jubilee clips connecting the pipes to either side of the thermostat and disconnect them. Then undo the 4 bolts in the thermostat housing. There's 2 at the top and 2 underneath. In my case, 3 of the bolts require a 10mm socket, and the last one was an Allen key on this car, for some reason. I can't remember why, but you might want to take this little bracket off, maybe for better access. There's 2 bolts holding it in. Then you can just pull the thermostat right out. Mine obviously looks quite bad, with some dirty old silicone holding the rusty thing together, it seems. So I hopped on the internet to order some new bits. 1 thermostat housing. It's not necessary, but at that price, it's not worth cleaning the old one. And 1 thermostat. I've put links in the description below. Once your new products have arrived, check the quality and size against what came off the car. Well, the new O-ring certainly looks a lot more ring-like, and the thermostat in its housing looks good. Give the area a good clean, especially if, like mine, is covered in old silicone. Sandpaper should do it.
Give it a good wipe.
Now it's time to fit the new thermostat.
Just the tiniest bit of silicone to hold the O-ring in place.
Oh, more silicone.
Just a light application of silicone to stop the O-ring from moving. This is the stuff that we used. Links in the description. Place the O-ring in the hole. When you do insert the thermostat, be careful not to touch it on the O-ring. So pop it in and do up the 4 bolts. Well, the 3 10mm bolts and 1 Allen key in my case. Once you've finished your 4 bolts, pop your bracket back on if you took it off. Next, pop your pipes back on. Do your Jubilee clip back up. Pop your fan back on. Remember that reverse thread and 32mm. Next, we're going to bleed the radiator, and to do that on these BMWs, undo the pipe here and turn it upwards while connecting the other side back to the thermostat. Tighten up your Jubilee clip. This is the coolant we used for my E36, link in the description. Fill it all the way to the top. And then squeeze the pipes. Pop your expansion tank cap back on. Then keep topping it up until it overflows from this bit here. Next, lightly undo this Jubilee clip and carefully turn the pipe towards the radiator without turning the pipe too far over, otherwise all that lovely coolant is going to pour all over the floor. Tighten up your Jubilee clips.
So now you really need to take it for a spirited drive.
Spirited drive, you say? Thanks for watching, and if there's any videos that you'd like to see on this car, or any car for that matter, let me know in the comments. See you next time.